Hello and welcome to our video. Today, we are excited to introduce our latest 2-ton lithium forklift. This machine is designed to deliver outstanding performance while providing an efficient and eco-friendly solution for your operations. Let's take a closer look at how this forklift can meet the demands of modern logistics and warehousing. This 2-ton lithium forklift features high-performance lithium battery technology, offering up to 4 hours of continuous operation, making it perfect for medium to short duration tasks. Powered by a 60 V200 lithium battery, it delivers strong performance with short charging times and a long service life, significantly reducing operating costs. The compact design makes it ideal for use in tight indoor spaces, making it the perfect choice for efficient material handling. Let's talk about its load capacity. With a 2-ton lifting capacity, it easily handles various material handling tasks across different working environments. It also comes with a reinforced mast system, ensuring stability and safety during lifting and operation. Whether you're moving heavy loads or performing high-lift tasks, this forklift guarantees a steady, safe performance. In terms of design, this forklift has a sleek and modern appearance, with clean lines that give it a futuristic look. The operator's cabin is thoughtfully designed with comfort in mind, featuring an adjustable seat and a user-friendly control panel. This forklift ensures ease of operation and reduces operator fatigue, even during long shifts.